Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma inspected the ongoing construction of the Mawkhanu football stadium, envisioned to become the largest football stadium in the country. He was accompanied by Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Wailad Miki Shilla. During the inspection, the Chief Minister described the project as an iconic addition to the state's sports infrastructure. He noted that Meghalaya's strong football culture made the upcoming facility a significant boost for the game and the broader sports sector. The Chief Minister, along with other dignitaries, also participated in a symbolic foundation-laying gesture by pouring concrete at the north stand. A prayer for blessings over the structure was led by Father Richard Majau.
We ask you to bless this place in a very special way, and may you continue to guide this place. This is going to be a very important infrastructure of our country, of our state, especially for the people here in Shillong. May you continue to bless us with all your blessings and with all your guidance. On earth as in heaven. The last year, to the as we took part in lead us to temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Three times.
Been a part of the foundation that was in the North Stand that started. So the Honourable Minister, myself and Father Richard, who had prayed for this structure, we have all contributed and started the process. So we are all hoping that, as I said, this will go well, which we are very sure, and hopefully within the next, say, 24 months to about 30 months, we expect that this structure will be ready. And especially the football sector in the state and the country. Aware that the Honourable Finance Minister, Madam Nirmala Sitharamanji, had laid the foundation stone for this project, but today the construction work has started, and therefore we felt it most appropriate that we need the blessings from the Almighty to ensure that this project goes in the right direction and is completed on time. And therefore we have requested Father Richard Majau, who has come and blessed the entire work that's going on here. And we also, along with Minister and myself, have participated in this entire process, where we have also poured some of the cement and the concrete with our own hands into the first foundation of the North Stand. And we're very excited about this project. This is a very important project for us, and as I said, this will put us right at the national as well as a global map of soccer and football. And we're hopeful that this will not just be a stadium for the state alone, and but it will be a stadium which will be seeing very large and very important matches at the national as well as the global level taking place. And it's not just a stadium out here. As you're aware, there's also going to be the Football Academy, which will be right next to it, which will be run by the Northeast United FC, as well as we'll have other facilities around this entire area. So it's a very important project for us, and we are hopeful that this will be a very important game changer for the entire football soccer scenario in the state of Meghalaya.